Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the StakeLayer pre-sale. Now the stake token here is live for pre-sale on their webpage. It says here about 6 days until the next price increase. Right now the price is around 0.01109 USD. They've already raised $266,569. Their goal for this round seems to be $450,000. Now we're going to go over the information on this token. I'm also going to look for audits. Some of these ICOs that are on web pages can be very sketchy. A lot of people argue whether or not these tokens are scams because it's very hard to figure out, like these pages. These web pages that have initial coin offerings on their web pages basically, can do whatever they want. Like if they're on, say, pinksale.finance, like they have to at least kind of go through like PinkSale's vetting process before, and then they have to post, whether they have an audit or KYC and all these things on the page. A lot of these ICOs can be sketchy because they just go by their own rules. So we're going to check for an audit on here. We're going to check for a KYC, go over all the security on this project here so you guys can have kind of an understanding at least of what security they have, if they have any, before you even think about investing in this token. So this is definitely not me telling you to get this token. This is definitely me reviewing the security and info a little bit to kind of give you guys an idea of what this project's about here. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So on their webpage, I actually found 3 audits right off the bat. One of them popped up right away, this CoinSalt audit, when I clicked on it. Now it says here they also have an audit by Solid Proof and OX Guard. So what happens when I click on the Solid Proof one, though? A page pops up that says unexpected error application 404 not found. So that one doesn't seem to be working. I tried it in 2 different browsers. And then we tried the OX Guard one. Put that up here. And the exact same thing. Unexpected application error 404 not found. So as far as I know, those 2 do not work. And if they are working, somebody should fix them on their page here, because I tried it in 2 different browsers and it doesn't pop up. Now we can go over the CoinSalt audit though, so at least we could do that. And you could subscribe to a newsletter at the bottom of their page. They also have, it looks like, Team Doxed. Now, just because they have the Team Doxed though, you don't even know if this is the actual team, because that's the hard thing about team doxing, is you have no idea if this is the actual team or who these people are. You know what I mean? They could be, these pictures could be who knows what. That's why it's important for projects to get KYCs. So then they are vetted by other auditing companies to make sure that these are the actual team members. So it's hard to, it says team doxing. There are pictures on here. It says there's 3 people there with their faces, only their first names, by the way. And then they have job titles, no background information. One of them has a Telegram address. So this person named Anna has a Telegram address. And then it says plus 10 team members. It doesn't tell you who the other ones are. So it's not really team doxing. It's, so keep that in mind too. It's not a real KYC or anything that I could see so far anyways. So what is the project all about? Let's talk about what it is quickly here. So it says, what is StakeLayer? StakeLayer is the first ever Bitcoin restaking L2 solution. The StakeLayer network is secured by staking both Bitcoin and StakeLayer tokens. So that's what it's all about. How can I buy stake? You can buy stake with your crypto or credit card. At the moment, we are supporting ETH, BSC, Optimism, ARB, Base, AVAX, and Matic. Which countries is it restricted to? The following countries are not allowed to participate. Unfortunately, US, not allowed to participate, including its territories. And then we got Korea, Cuba, Sudan, Iran. There's a huge list. So it looks like, I don't see Canada on here. Looks like Canada's fine. But there's a huge list of countries, including America. Sorry, if you are in America, you are not allowed to participate. Token generation event. I mean, it could be a good thing. If this token is a scam, I'm not saying it is. If it is a scam, you can't buy the scam, unfortunately. But it could be legit. Who knows, right? It's not a scam until it is a scam, right? And then, yeah, so then they talk more in depth about the project here. They have a roadmap. There's a bug bounty. So it says our mission here at StakeLayer, our mission is to democratize Bitcoin earnings, making it accessible, profitable, and secure for investors worldwide, leveraging advanced blockchain technology. We're committed to providing a transparent, efficient, and revolutionary restaking solution, innovative restaking mechanism. Maximize your Bitcoin earnings with our unique restaking technology. We got unmatched security. Your investment is safeguarded with our state-of-the-art security measures, ensuring peace of mind. User-friendly interface, whether you're using crypto as a novice or an expert, our platform is designed for ease of use. And it's transparent process with StakeLayer. What you see is what you get. No surprises, no hidden fees. And then they have, so you could stake Bitcoin, earn altcoin yield. They have the tokenomics. There's a total supply of 5 billion tokens. 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 10% liquidity pool, 30% community and user incentives, 15% development fund, 10% team and advisors, 5% marketing community growth, 10% strategic partnerships and ecosystem expansion. They have a pretty lengthy roadmap on here. And yeah, if you want to get the token, you basically click on join pre-sale. It'll take you where you need to go. Or it says connect your wallet first. You choose a chain. So there's, you can connect your Coinbase wallet. It says MetaMask, OX wallet, Phantom, Rainbow, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Taurus, all that type of stuff. You punch in how much you want to spend of what type of currency. It'll tell you how much StakeLayer tokens you get, and you go from there. But definitely review the audit before even thinking about getting this token. You can find their Telegram at StakeLayer, 2,750 members, 117 of them online. I suggest joining that, seeing what other community members have to say about the project. You can follow their Twitter at StakeLayer.io. I'm going to put that on the screen there. And so, yeah, the only audit that worked, it said they had 3 audits. Like I said, I clicked on all 3. The only one that worked is the CoinSalt audit. And there's no KYC that is not lit up, just contract audit. It says no mint function, no blacklisting, no honeypot, no high sell fees, and trading's enabled. Now, there is issues. So there's 3 total issues. Now it says they are low risk issues, but they're still issues. I'm going to try to remember to put that on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And they are pending. They are not acknowledged or resolved yet. So just be aware that there is some issues with their audit, so it is not fully secure, and I suggest you thoroughly review this audit in depth. Click on full audit report, go through these security issues to make sure you are comfortable with this audit before investing. Now this is on the Binance Smart Chain, it says this token here. And click on full audit report, it'll take you over to a GitHub, github.com. Then you can click on the certain links here, the PDFs. You can scroll through their audit here. Hopefully it tells me easily so I could just say it right now so you don't have to go through in depth. Let me find the warnings here. You got to keep clicking on more pages. There's too many pages on here. Keep clicking on more pages. It takes forever to load. And okay, so they failed the floating pragma. Now what I've noticed is a lot of these tokens get CoinSalt audits that are in these ICO pre-sales, and a lot of them failed the floating pragma. I've noticed that. So that's a big thing. I don't know if it's the same team putting out these same tokens for ICO, and they're just using the same format every time and always failing that one thing, but that's what it says here. And then it says an error code. They have an error code SLT078, conformance to numeric notation practices. It says a low risk could be fixed and will not bring problems. It says too many digits. Literals with many digits are difficult to read and review, so that's a warning on here. And then they have another warning, the floating pragma warning that I mentioned. And then, of course, got to click on more pages. And then I'm sure there's one more here. And then low risk could be fixed, will not bring problems, is initial supply. It says when the contract is deployed, the contract deployer receives all the initial created assets. So just be aware of that. Once the contract's deployed, the owner's going to get all of the assets, and then we'll distribute the token as they see fit. So that could be a big problem. Think about that when it's over. And then there's another error code here. Operating fee manipulation, that's on there, so they can operate the fees. And then there's another one here. Pausability. It says owner cannot pause the contract, so that's a good one. But anyways, yeah, go check out the warnings on the page here. That there is some error codes. Just scroll through there. After you click on the CoinSalt audit, click on full audit report. It'll take you over to a page, a GitHub page, and then you'll be able to scroll through and see all the warnings I'm talking about. It says they're low risk audits, but those, low risk errors, but they could bring huge risks if, if they do sketchy things with those warnings there. So be aware of that. Thoroughly review the audit before investing in this token. I can't say for sure that, this token's a scam just because there's warnings, because it could be fine. Potentially, they could do whatever they say they're going to do and everything works out great. Or they could, with those issues there, try to use it to their benefit and scam people. So it's still up in the air, but I'm just saying that there is risks. So thoroughly review this token before even thinking about getting it. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.